What is going on, everybody? There's these things called brain waves. There's loads of different brain waves. In this video I'm going to teach you how to change brain waves, because just saying, oh, there's these brain waves that your brain operates on doesn't really mean much. So first we're going to get you into the beta brainwave state. To do that, you need to be thinking or doing some movement. So for 2 minutes, just think of mental math equations like 12 times 15, blah blah blah, just loads of mental equations. And while you're at it, go ahead and flail violently. So go whoa, and stamp your feet as well while you're doing this mental equations. After you've done that for 2 minutes, you're going to be put into the beta brainwave state, and then we're going to write down some answers to questions on a scale of 10. So we're going to write down out of 10 how anxious you're feeling. Don't lie, because the whole point of this is to compare. It's an experiment. So right now you're going to be in the beta wave brain state. Write down out of 10 how anxious you feel, out of 10 how heavy you feel, out of 10 how much energy you've got, out of 10 how tense you feel. Okay, once you've recorded the answers to all these questions, you're going to do something called vagal breathing. We're going to set a 5-minute timer. I'm not going to do this with you, I'm just going to give you the instructions on what to do. So for a 5-minute timer, just to experience these effects, we're going to breathe all the way out, and then we're going to start the timer. What we're going to do is breathe in as much as we can, and then once we've done that, we're going to hold it. We're going to feel the air pressure in our lungs. We're going to sit with that particular pressure for like 4 seconds, and then we're going to move around so that we can feel the pressure change in our lungs and in our body. Once you've done that for as long as you can, exhale out and then start breathing normally. And then when you feel ready to go ahead and do another inhale, another hold, and all the same thing just repeated, go ahead and do it, but in your own time. So do that for 5 minutes. Go ahead and re-answer the questions. By this point you should be in the gamma brainwave state. You could even go straight into it from the first breath, but don't be discouraged if you're not. So this is a good example of physical application, so you can actually see the changes. So you're going to re-answer the questions that we previously wrote down and answered, and compare them, see if you notice anything. We can also get into the gamma brainwave state from watching TV, but it's a different kind of gamma. It's like a kind of an unconscious gamma as opposed to the conscious gamma. We could do the same experiment by getting into the beta state, by doing the same things and then watching TV for 5 minutes if you wanted to compare the two different gamma states. But you know, that's your choice if you want to do both experiments or if one, but you definitely should to show yourself what is this, what is this things that our brain is using that affects our day-to-day life. So that's watching. Put them up for you because you're worth it.